one of the things that really pleases me is the fact that at Endeavour we do teach holistic medicine. So it's within the college system that this philosophy is really being preserved. From my experience at the university, it can become quite reductionist in the approach and can be dominated by the medical model, which is not a bad thing, it's just a different approach. But within Endeavour we've actually got degrees going out now which are teaching truly holistic medicine, and by having practitioners go out into the marketplace that have the highest level of qualification that they possibly can have, I think that's one of the big ports of call that we have, because we're in every single state. So what we're actually going to be doing is, and are doing, is building a group of practitioners who are very highly qualified. Nearly all of the staff at Endeavour now who teach have got a master's degree. If they are a senior lecturer, they're either enrolled in their PhD or moving towards it at some level. So everybody's engaged in postgraduate education, and what that means is that the college is actually establishing some wonderful connections into the university system, so that practitioners of natural medicine can actually move into the establishment and can start working from within the establishment to build bridges and to create relationships with the medical establishment, which, as I said before, is what is mainstream in this country. So it's a matter, I think, of moving forward in terms of maintaining the profession at the highest quality practitioners that we can possibly be. When national registration comes to be, I don't know when that will be, but it's my belief, and I emphasise it's my belief, that it will happen. I think there are too many stakeholders in the community who are asking for statutory regulation of natural healthcare practitioners. It's going to mean that Endeavour is going to be ready to say, well, look, we're already teaching at the highest possible level that we can, and our practitioners will be ready to step into that. By the same token, we are offering a lot of upgrade programs and creating relationships with institutes who may only be able to offer an advanced diploma, so that those students who have perhaps studied at TAFE, who've got a very good advanced diploma, can come to Endeavour College and can actually do the upgrade to translate their advanced diploma directly into a bachelor degree, so that they too, when national registration comes along, can be operating at that highest level of qualification. Now, we don't know what the government's going to expect. Is it going to be an advanced diploma, because that's the vocational training sector, or are they going to ask that everybody's gone through the higher education model and comes out with a bachelor? We don't know that. I would suspect, if we have a look at what's happened to traditional Chinese medicine, it will be a bachelor. So what we're doing is trying to build a lot of relationships with the vocational training sector to make sure that there are avenues for all people who've got diplomas and advanced diplomas to be able to upgrade to the bachelor.